Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a sky-high showdown between two aerial aces. The Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter, let's call it Gloral, and the DROCON drone. It's going to be an epic face-off with more twists and turns than a drone race. So let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. Gloral comes in at $179, while DROCON is a more wallet-friendly $109. So if your bank account is looking like a desert, DROCON might just be your oasis. But remember, folks, you get what you pay for. Or do you? Let's find out. All right, camera quality. Gloral boasts a 4K integrated camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like having a professional photographer on speed dial. Meanwhile, DROCON's got a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees manual adjust lens. Reviewers say Gloral provides exceptional image quality and stability, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. On the other hand, DROCON's camera is functional, but not as impressive, making it better suited for casual use. Gloral takes this round, hands down. Next up, intelligent flight modes and automation. Gloral comes with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. This drone practically flies itself while you sip on your latte. DROCON, on the other hand, offers gesture recognition, voice control, and custom path flight. Reviewers appreciate Gloral for its advanced GPS features, while DROCON is praised for its fun and interactive controls. This one's a tie, folks. Both drones bring their A-game. Now, let's talk safety and reliability. Gloral's got advanced flight control systems, GPS tech, and return-to-home functionality. It's like having a drone with a built-in mom who always makes sure you get home safe. DROCON has an emergency stop feature and propeller guards, so it's like having a drone that says, "I got this, bro." Reviewers commend Gloral for its robust safety features and reliability, while DROCON is appreciated for its basic but effective safety measures. Gloral edges out here with its extra layers of security. Compact and portable design. Both drones are foldable and lightweight, but Gloral is like packing a Swiss Army knife, while DROCON gives you a suitcase to carry it around. If you're someone who likes to travel light, Gloral's your buddy. But if you love accessories, DROCON's got you covered. Reviewers love Gloral for its portability and convenience, while DROCON is praised for its additional accessories. Let's call this one a draw. Better flight experience is up next. Gloral offers a whopping 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. It's like the Energizer Bunny of drones. DROCON gives you 24 minutes of flight time, which is great but feels like a power nap compared to Gloral's full night's sleep. Reviewers highlight Gloral's impressive battery life and overall flight performance, while DROCON's shorter flight time is noted but still appreciated for quick sessions. Gloral wins this round with its marathon flying capability. Finally, let's not forget about the after-sales guarantee. DROCON offers a 365-day warranty and promises to solve any issues within 12 hours. It's like having a drone with a hotline to customer service heaven. Gloral, you might want to take notes here because DROCON takes this round. Reviewers highly commend DROCON's excellent customer service and warranty, while Gloral's after-sales support is good, but not as highlighted. Based on online reviews, the Gloral drone is praised for its ease of use, impressive image quality, and robust build, making it a great investment for both amateurs and professionals. The DROCON drone, while more affordable, is appreciated for its fun features and excellent customer service, though its build and camera quality are considered more suitable for beginners and casual users. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.